In this video, I'm going to show you how to use camera raw filters in Instagram. The first thing to do is to go to your Play Store and then look for Instagram, and always make sure that your Instagram account or application is updated. So as you can see, mine is not, so I have to update this. And then once done, click open, and then go to the plus icon, tap story, and then so once you swipe this to the right, okay, you can see different types of filters, but let's know how to use this camera filters on Instagram. So to see more filters, you have to look for the magnifying glass, or let's just see the search icon. And then here, there are lots of filters that you can use for, let's just say, trending, appearance, so on. And all you have to do is to tap each effect to know the result of this Instagram effect. Let's just say this one. Okay, so all you have to do is to point this to your face or to an image that you wanted to use this effect. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'll try to apply this effect to someone's face. So all I have to do is to tap the effect and point it to the image, person, a thing, or anything. This is what it looks like, and you can find or select other filters that can suit to the image. But this is just an example. How about to a person? So all you have to do is to tap the effect again, the Instagram effect again, and then point it to someone's face, so a person's face, or it could be your face, for example. Okay, so all you have to do is to find and select the right Instagram filter for this face. So let's just say you want this one. All you have to do is to tap that and then kindly click this arrow here to share this Instagram story with Instagram effects. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.